How to take care of skin to look beautiful. Every girl is beautiful, but sometimes, that's hard to remember. Feeling beautiful is an integral part of looking it, and luckily, there are dozens of little ways we can remind ourselves. Take these daily steps to feel your most confident and gorgeous. Number 1. Know your skin type. Establishing a routine catered to your own skin will maximize its effectiveness and leave you glowing and camera-ready. Dry, sometimes flaky, few breakouts. Oily, prone to shine and breakouts, bigger pores. Combination: your T-zone, forehead, nose, chin, is oily, cheeks are dry. This can change with the seasons or have a tendency to be oilier or drier. Sensitive, has allergic reactions to products, turns red easily in more extreme weather. Number 2. Use sunscreen. Many moisturizers or lotions have small amounts of SPF built in. Stay away from tanning beds. Prolonged exposure in the sun is bad enough for your skin, but unnatural UV radiation is even worse. Tanning leads to wrinkles, spots, and, obviously, skin cancer. Youth is fleeting, don't make it go fast. Number 3. Be healthy. What your mother told you is true. The things that are best for you are also best for your body. Don't smoke. Cigarette smoking has been proven to add years onto your skin and teeth. Get your beauty sleep. Studies have shown that getting a full 8 hours of sleep leads to lower stress, which leads to better skin, a healthy weight, and higher levels of creativity. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.